Hello, so continuing from last year's project, because of the winter, I couldn't come in here in the garage, it was too cold. So it's spring now, so it's a lot warmer. Here we sanded it. Now we've got two different colours here because this half was from a different table and this one was from a different one. We lost the two parts and we joined this part with this part. So if we're going to varnish it, we are going to get, perhaps we're going to get a darker colour here than here, maybe. If that looks good or not, I don't know. Trial and error, we'll see. Some people may like it, some people may not. We'll see what happens. It's for me anyway, so it doesn't really matter. If I want to, I can also, and I don't like it, I can sand it again, and then sand it down to the wood and use the same or different varnish, darker or lighter. Or I can get a darker one and go over it and it should fix the problem. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. Be back in the world's fastest break. Like, so fast it's not funny. Okay, so here we already gave it a lacquer this way. Okay, behind the scenes of the film. Now we just turn it around. Okay, you have to let it dry for about 4 hours, which we did that. Okay, so we get a rag. You can also get some cotton wool or tissues. We use a rag in this case. Dip it in here. Come in here. Look at that. Okay, you wipe it. Come in here. And wipe it. Come in here. And wipe it. Make sure the sides, okay, there's no leak on the sides. Just make sure there's no leak. Okay, and what we do is we dip it here, and we'll do the sides here. And we've got to get in the gaps between that as well. I'm not sure if the camera can see that. And we need to use a paintbrush for that one, as we will do that. Come in here. Come in here. Now we've got to go with the grain here. Okay, we come in here. Just dip it up like that. We've got to go in the grain. Okay. Just like that. Dip it again. Okay. Just come in here on the sides. This way. Come in here like that. And that just about finishes the paint job. You get a paintbrush. Okay. and the rag can't get in the gaps here, so I'm going to use a paintbrush here and get in the gaps here. So that, and come in here, wipe it good. Come in the gaps here. You see how that is too thick? I'm not sure the camera can see that 100%, but it's too thick here with the paintbrush. Just as it's too thick, so we have to wipe it with a sponge. You get a clear finish here like that. Just like that. You do the other sides. Okay, you do the other sides here. Come here. Okay, and wipe that. Go with the grain at the top here. Come here. Come here, show you another time. And wipe that with the grain on top. Come here. Now this dries, minimum amount of time is 2 hours for it to put another coat. Okay? But we can darken it. We can put another coat now. Okay? So we come here. Okay? We're not actually putting another coat, we're just making it a bit more thin. Come in here. Okay, so come here, and we'll go, if we go this way, it's going to smudge in there. Okay, so we go this way. Okay, and then we come this way on this side. And that's it. Okay, and that's how it looks. We come like that. Okay, all around here. Okay, as you can see. Okay, thank you for watching, and that is it will need maybe another coat. I don't know, we'll see when it dries and see and figure out if it needs another coat or not. I'm not looking into it right now. We'll wait at least 2 hours for it to dry. Thank you for listening, and God be with each and every one of you.